In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of using filters to refine your searches on TikTok, ensuring you find the precise videos you're looking for. To begin, open the TikTok app on your device and tap on the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Next, enter your search query in the search bar. For example, if you're looking for videos related to Steve Jobs, type that in. Once the search results appear, to narrow down your search, tap on the two lines next to the search bar to reveal search filters. These filters allow you to sort videos by relevance or by the number of likes, filter by all videos or only those you've liked, and even specify the date range when the video was posted, such as the past 24 hours, day, month, and more. After selecting your desired filters, simply click on Apply, and the search results will refresh, displaying videos that match your refined criteria. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you in enhancing your TikTok search experience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos in the future.